Get through that thing.
Oh,
nice.
smelling good over here. What do you have? Is it?
Fuel up the train.
We're at range 13 right now. Gonzi's about to make us some little, some field chow. Check
Hot
it
dog
out.
buns, some bugles, bugles, some eggs.
We're getting some franks.
Alright.
Here's our master cook.
Field chow, you know, keep it simple.
What are you cooking us up for today?
And we got some franks, we got some buns in here, chips.
Nice.
Got our utensils, eggs. We'll burner off Amazon, cost you about 15 bucks for the whole setup, just that. So, yeah. Make a plate, make a plate. Grab a plate.
What did we cover so far?
Dude, there's a lot to cover.
Oh,
basically
man.
all the training fundamentals. Range, you got range 13 out here. Look, I had to weed eat all this shit up. Got here, he said, hey man, he said, hey slave, go take this shit. I said, alright, bet. I don't know how to eat this
Clear
shit
this up because we haven't been down here for maybe 1 month. Not a whole lot going on, not a whole lot of target, but we do have 3 steel target, few paper boards, and here's the steel target. Amazon that, and a couple wood from your local Home Depot or Lowe's. One day I like to purchase a steel bracket so I don't have to keep replacing the wood, but overall it will do handle some job. This thing's been on this field for about 2 years. Wood is still good. We got a few logs that still need to be stacked on the berm, make a berm. We got Charlie over here. Here's our range box supply. Paper, bracket, paint. Just to keep our targets all fed, staples, paper.
You got Tellurite in the truck too.
What is it? Oh yeah, tannerite.
Tannerite.
We got some
I
tannerite.
thought it's Tellurite, dude. Tannerite. Tellurite. What the hell is Tellurite?
But what he's talking about is tannerite. What is that, half a pound to say?
Half a exploding target.
Half a pound, exploding target, we'll see. Tannerite. Alright, we're gonna have this guy read the directions.
Where's the directions?
In the back.
Directions. Pour white contents of the target container into the mixing container.
This?
To this. Yeah. And then pour contents of catalyst packet into the mixing container.
Which is this. Basic. Any kid can buy this at the academy. Mixed content. I'm guessing this is some type of black powder.
Wait. Is this the mixing container? Or is this the mixing container?
This is mixing container. It's got more room to mix.
Alright, bet.
We're gonna throw this sucker in here. That looks like just freaking high compact metal with TNT gunpowder. Look at that. Then what? It says shake it. Pour white Cadillac, mix until pellets are evenly coated. Okay. Alright, we're about to go shoot this tannerite.
See it?
Yeah, I see it. Dude, Charlie's gone. Let's check out the afterburn. So what you saw there was a half a pound of tannerite. And they're gonna wonder what are we doing out here. So I remember old Charlie. Dude, where's Charlie's head? Dude, all I saw was white smoke. So yeah, that's your basic half a pound of tannerite. You can get that at your local Walmart store, no problem, for $3.99.
That's a range.
It's a wrap.